Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 24, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy Incorporated as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -2.22. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 27.67% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 9.34% to 58.26%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 76.65%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 38.4% and 197.06% over the next year. In practical terms, this would imply a future price ranging from $521.81 to $1,119.98. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy Incorporated highlights the headline, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock downgraded to sell candidate. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, the stock price of MicroStrategy Incorporated increased by 2.68%, rising from $367.18 to $377.02. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.60%, hitting a low of $371 and a high of $384.36. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 7 of those days, resulting in an overall decrease of 3.85%. The trading volume also fell by 468,000 shares, with a total of 10 million shares changing hands for approximately $3.73 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices may signal divergence, potentially indicating forthcoming changes in the next few days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the stock price stands at 30.57%, or $165.98, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Investors in MicroStrategy Incorporated, now officially known as Strategy Incorporated under the ticker MSTR, are currently facing significant news that could impact the stock in both the short and long term. A class action lawsuit has been announced by multiple law firms, including Levi and Korsinski and Pomerantz LLP, targeting the company for alleged securities fraud during a specific class period from April 30th, 2024 to April 4th, 2025. This legal action, set against a backdrop where shareholders who lost substantial amounts are being encouraged to come forward, casts a shadow over investor sentiment and may lead to increased volatility in MSTR's stock price, especially as the lead plaintiff deadline approaches on July 15, 2025. On a potentially positive note, Strategy has also launched its AI-powered universal intelligence layer, dubbed Strategy Mosaic, which aims to streamline and enhance data management for organizations. As AI technology continues to gain prominence, this initiative could contribute to future revenue growth and improve investor confidence in the company's long-term strategy. However, the contrasting dynamics of legal challenges and new product offerings present a complex picture for MSTR. Short-term stock performance may be pressured by the fallout from these lawsuits, while longer-term recovery will heavily depend on the commercial success of innovations like Mosaic and broader Bitcoin market trends. Consequently, traders and investors will be watching closely for how these factors unfold in the coming weeks. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity assigned MSTR a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On that same day, it was also reported that Cantor Fitzgerald issued a hold rating for MSTR alongside a hold action. Additionally, on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, Barclays provided MSTR with a hold rating following the same hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS rated MSTR with a buy grade while also taking a hold action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, BTIG rated MSTR as a buy, again with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to MicroStrategy Incorporated stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts again provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock shows a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a prevailing sell signal, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $387.65. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $374.75. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative trend. A sell signal originated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 13, 2025, and to date, the stock has fallen by 10.58%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, trading volume decreased despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence. Buy signal, pivots. Sell signal from 29 days ago, Bollinger. Buy signal from 19 days ago, short-term moving average. Buy signal from 2 days ago, long-term moving average. Sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Got support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $343.03 and $296.86. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $343.03. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $296.86 and $293.61. This stock is typically traded at a healthy volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $13.36, representing a change of 3.60% between its high and low. For the last week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies may face downturns, often due to external factors. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and increased bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 12 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at $402.69. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy Incorporated encounters its first support level at $343.03. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating from MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 18th of June, 2025, Lei Feng conducted an insider purchase of 8,400 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Patton Jared M. conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Series A Perpetual Stride Preferred Stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Montgomery Janine conducted an insider purchase of 1,140 shares of Class A common stock. On the 5th of June, 2025, Montgomery Janine also conducted an insider purchase of 1 share of Class A common stock. On the 6th of June, 2025, Montgomery Janine conducted another insider purchase of 24 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be negative, with a ratio of 0.000. In total, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated exhibits several negative signals, and we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of June, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open higher by approximately 439/100ths of a dollar, starting at a price of $377.46. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.